Welcome back, everyone. So if you're new to Lego investing, you kind of want to take a look at sets that are coming out because you might need to allocate money towards these sets. It's good to just have a game plan. You kind of just don't want to blindly invest. And when I say this, this is looking right now at what's coming out and then near the end of their retirement. So it's you don't want to allocate funds early on because that's just money sitting on the shelf where you can invest elsewhere. But let's take a look at lego.com and their coming soon page. So Lego's got some decent sets that are coming out in 2023, which I believe which will do really well in retirement in my opinion. But we're talking 2, 3, maybe even 4 years down the line. So first off, the Mako submarine, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I think that is going to be a pretty decent set. I think it looks amazing, and submarines are just cool. The Monkey King Ultra Mech, that is going to do amazing when it retires, no doubt. And then let's go down below and see what else there is. So it looks like Marvel or Lego Marvel is kind of bringing back mechs or doing different style mechs. So I'm not really sure about the Hulk. The Hulk just looks terrible. I'm not sure about that one. The Thanos mech, the previous one, is doing pretty decent. I think it's selling around $30 and was around 10 to 15. But I think out of the three, the Rocket Mech Armor, I think that it will be the winner, and the Quinjet. The Quinjet is was definitely a popular Lego pick previously. And lastly, the Ghost Rider mech bike. So this is new. That's awesome. Ghost Rider's badass. I think this is going to be a absolute solid set. And the Hulkbuster, that's also a cool set for $50. If you could get it for like 30, I think that would be a good investment. But like I said, anything could a lot can change over 3 years. So some of these sets will just maybe be mass produced and they just might end up being terrible. But that's my quick picks right now. So hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.